Welcome to this National Weather Service Des Moines weather briefing recorded on Wednesday morning, March 30th, 2016. We are looking at the threat for the possibility of severe weather, especially across central and southern Iowa this afternoon and this evening. The primary threats will be damaging winds, large hail, and frequent lightning across the southern half of the state. And this threat will begin in the mid-afternoon hours and persist through the evening and into the overnight hours, with the primary impacts being damage to trees and possibly property. We cannot rule out an isolated tornado across far southern Iowa this afternoon. There is a very narrow window of opportunity for tornado activity, and so that threat will need to be monitored as well. Here is the current Storm Prediction Center outlook for the state of Iowa. The best threat for severe weather, again, is along and south of Interstate 80 across southern Iowa, with a chance of more marginal risk of severe weather further to the north. Rainfall amounts are generally expected to be under an inch across the state, although locally higher amounts are possible within these thunderstorms. Looking for amounts around half an inch in Des Moines, with higher amounts the further northeast you go, with over an inch expected closer towards the Iowa-Wisconsin border. Here is the timing that we're expected for severe weather activity. Looking for thunderstorms to develop across far southeast Nebraska, northeast Kansas in the 3 to 6 o'clock p.m. time frame, and then move into southwest Iowa towards the latter afternoon hours and reach south central Iowa by about 9 o'clock, and then continuing to shift to the east and reaching eastern Iowa, southeast Iowa closer towards midnight. Again, we're expecting the chance of severe weather across southern Iowa today. The primary threats will be damaging winds, large hail, and frequent lightning. We cannot rule out an isolated tornado this afternoon, so again, pay attention to the forecast. You can do that through a number of different ways. You can go for the latest severe weather forecast, go to the Storm Prediction Center website at spc.noaa.gov. You can also visit this information on our website at weather.gov/Des Moines. There are other ways to follow us. In addition to our website, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. If you have a NOAA Weather Radio, that's a very good communication device. Otherwise, you can pay attention to your favorite TV or radio broadcasts. Again, thanks for joining us, and stay safe and stay weather aware this afternoon and this evening.